So I am going to put a mosquito net on, and I'll try to make this as unboring as possible, if that's a word. And we'll go from there. I'll speed a lot of this up so you don't have to. It's not going to be very, very slow moving, and it's not going to be very long. It's just going to be us using the tractor, leveling this area out. There used to be a building sitting right here.
The ground right here is rough, uneven, and full of weeds. I've got 3 implements, my JD 2038R tractor, and one goal: get this area ready for planting. But here's the thing most people do it wrong. The order you use these implements in matters just as much as which ones you use. I'm going to show you exactly what I did and why. First up, we're using a box blade. On rough, uneven ground like this, you always want to start with the box blade. It's your grading tool. It's moving dirt, knocking down the high spots, filling in low ones. You're not trying to finish the job here. You're just getting the ground close to level. Watch what one pass does to this area. Next up is a rotary cutter. Now here's where some guys make a big mistake. They try to rake before they cut. Don't do that. After the box blade breaks up the ground, you still have standing weeds and grass that need to come down before the rake can do its job. The rotary cutter goes on next. We're going to mow this whole area down and chop up anything that the box blade left behind. Next up is our landscape rake. Now we're ready for the landscape rake, and this is where it all comes together. The rake is doing two things at once. It's pulling out loose weeds and root material, and it's giving you that final smooth finish. After the box blade and the rotary cutter have done their work, the rake has everything it needs to clean this area up right. And here we are with the finished product. It's the same ground, using 3 implements with just a few passes each. The order we used them in was the box blade first, the rotary cutter second, and the landscape rake last. If you enjoy this kind of content, we're going to have a whole lot more, so please hit the subscribe button, like, and leave a comment. Let us know how you would handle this project. Thanks for watching. Until the next one, buckle up, props up. The life you save may be yours. We'll see you on the next one.